Here are your beautiful Bottega Veneta. Beauty is pain. I love Bottega. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Attorney Brooke. I am excited to show you guys an unboxing of the Bottega Veneta Lido sandals. Let's get to it. I have with me here the coveted, beautiful Bottega shoebox. It's the classic high patent gloss Bottega green. If you know that Bottega green, it's like, if you know, you know. It's like the most gorgeous color. I will go ahead and show you guys. This is how they come. You're getting that good dust bag with the Bottega Veneta labeling, one for each shoe. And that Bottega Veneta green, so super big. If you store your shoes in the dust bags, great. I keep all my dust bags and I like to use them like when I'm traveling for toiletries, jewelry, anything like that. They're just like good extra bags to have around. And then literally just simple tissue paper. And here is them in the box. You have like that extra like crinkle parchment paper in there. Super cute, sleek, clean packaging. The moment of truth. Here are your beautiful Bottega Veneta Lido sandals. And these are in the classic black color. I'll give you a good like spin around. Now these have been broken in, so you can see a little bit of wear, but I wanted to show you guys before we really do some damage in them. You can see here, you have that just like super simple, probably like 1/4 inch little platform back here, and then going down to the classic Bottega square toe. Here you have like the actual weaved, like woven leather versus some of their shoes have like that embossed leather. Here the Lido provides that interweaving and that same type of style going in through the toe right there. Inside, you can see an additional like secured kind of band inside that's the same leather material. So it is flush and flat on the inside of the strap. You're not just getting the opposite side of this weaving. And then you're getting the embossed Bottega Veneta labeling right there on the heel. And the bottom is the classic Bottega like trademark rubber insole right here. That's super cool. That's like another if you know, you know. I believe these are leather soles if I were to take a whack at it. Here they are. It's like a mix of rubber and leather on the bottom. So here's the flat version of them. Now I know that when you get them, my advice would be, number one, if you tend to have wider feet, then I would order a half size up. The length I think is a little bit small / true to size. If you like a little bit of space after your heel at the end of the sandals, then I would say definitely order a half size up. If you like your heel to basically be like super flush with the end of the sandal when you're walking, which is how I like my sandals to fit. I don't like them to look like bigger and like floppier. Then you would probably go with your own size. But if you do have wider feet in general, I would order a half size up because of this strap. It does come extremely tight. Now, I say beauty is pain, especially with like a gorgeous pair of sandals like this, with this like harder leather. You have to break them in. Y'all, trust me when I say this. If you go to like the boutique and try them on, you're gonna be like, ah! If you order them and they're delivered and you throw them on, they're probably gonna be a bit intimidating. You're gonna be like, hell no, these are like hard leather shoes. I mean, they're stout. Like I cannot bend them. And then like this right here, it is softer leather. That's after like trying to break them in. Now, a tip that I have with a pair of heels or like something like this that might fit a bit narrow, throw on a thick pair of socks and then walk around the house in them. So it's gonna force that to start stretching like exponentially more than it typically would just on your foot. I would say get those laps out and like spend a couple days in your house with them on before you like really go out to like dinner or like errands or whatever it is and like your feet are killing you. A good tip to stretch stretch out the Lidos is to get a thick sock on and walk around in them. Y'all, I die because my brother, like, God bless him, he's had to deal with like me and my mother obviously his entire life. We made him put on the thickest socks and he literally had to wear these around my apartment. It was a joy. Brought me pure just like elated joy to watch him do it. And he's like a grown ass, tall, full size foot man, and so him shoving his big ass feet into these, trying to stretch them out, was just like so funny. So yeah, good tip. Get a larger human with a big foot and a thick sock and your Lidos are gonna be on fleek. That would be my one qualm, I think, about the Lido shoe, is that they don't serve us like wider footed individuals, but once you break them in, they are perfectly fine. It's gonna take you a good, like, I would say 3 to 5 like real wears in the shoes for them to start morphing to like your feet, and they truly do because it's leather, so you're gonna get that benefit. But again, here's the close-up, that beautiful black color. Now I do have the Lido in the heel version. I don't know where they're at. I looked in my closet. I think they're in my car. I don't know, but I have them in like that beautiful like beige. It's not the nude, it's like a light beige color. It's that same type of braided leather strap. It's just the heel version with that classic square toe. Now I can say I like first like swooned and bought the heels because I'm a heel gal and that's what I love to wear. And I can tell you I have definitively like worn my Lido heels so much. You can pretty much throw them with anything. I got a neutral color to like start with. A girl can dream. I wish I had them in every color, but like I picked a lighter neutral color. I thought like the light neutral like beige color is obviously beautiful in the summertime and spring with like little dresses and stuff, but also like a cool like winter tone too when it starts getting a little cooler and you want to like maybe throw on some jeans and like a blazer or something. Still a really cool look. These price point at $13.50, so that's what they're at here in Texas, in America, I guess. And that's what these are. I'm not sure, I don't have in front of me what the Lido heels are. You're getting a beautiful designer shoe that has some character, it has some uniqueness, but like classic is gonna also stand the test of time, but also like giving you a bit of a statement, which I love. Cute, with just like some cutoff jeans, some wide leg jeans, throw on like literally any type of top, a cute sweater with like a little fringe tuck. You could do a beautiful like long maxi like spring dress if you're like on a vacation, like a beach vacation. Like it's endless. I would say these are so great and versatile, and they're also just classy with that like black leather. Absolutely love. And they come in so many different colors, bright fun colors, all the way to like your nudes and the black color. That's about it. I wanted to share with you guys what those looked like. I love Bottega. I think it tends to be a bit like underrated compared to some of the other like couture designer brands. Don't get me wrong, I'm obsessed with all of them. But in my top 3 like favorite designer brands would be Bottega 100%. I wish I had it all. It's so freaking gorgeous, and just like the solid palette, it's classic. It gives me like Celine vibes, but like a funkier Celine. Like Celine is like your classic, and then you have Bottega that adds like a little bit of the flair, but it's all in that same family of just like the neutral, like solid, I don't know, but also like super spunky. But don't sleep on Bottega. Like they got some great freaking items and some merch. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the unboxing of the Lido. We're excited to give these a spin, and if you like this video, you want to see more fashion unboxing, give me a like. And if you, like I said, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.